everyone, welcome to today's Craft Time STEM edition. Today we're going to be making kinetic sand. The materials that are going to be needed for today's craft is going to be a medium mixing bowl, a measuring cup, 1 cup, a mixing utensil, measuring spoons, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. And the ingredients that you're going to need for this craft is fine white sand or craft sand, a bottle of glue. You can use white glue for 4 ounces or clear glue with 5 ounces. Your choice of food coloring, cornstarch, dish soap, and contact solution that has non-proprietary moisturizers in it. All right, let's get started. You're first gonna take your sand and you're gonna measure 1 cup and you're gonna pour that into your mixing bowl. Then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And you're going to pour that into the sand. And then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And you're going to pour that into the bowl. Now we're going to mix all of these ingredients together. Then you're going to take your bottle of glue and you're going to pour the entire bottle into the bowl. Next, you're going to take your choice of food coloring and you're going to put a few drops in that as well. Now we're going to stir until it's well blended. All right. Now we're going to take our contact solution and we're going to put 3 teaspoons of this into our mixture. But we're going to only mix 1 teaspoon at a time. So you'll measure out 1 teaspoon. You'll pour that into the bowl and then you'll mix that teaspoon. It should start to get a little sticky. Then you're going to take your 2nd teaspoon and you pour that into the bowl and then you'll mix that. Now you've got your 3 teaspoons of contact solution in. It should be difficult to stir. If it's not difficult, then you can try adding more contact solution. It's just like making bread, kind of. All right, now we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna take it out of the bowl. And we're gonna knead it with our hands. You're gonna knead it until it's not sticky. And you can even see it. The consistency of it is changing. And there you have it. You have made your kinetic sand. That's so cool. There you go. And you've made your kinetic sand. Once you're done playing with your sand, you'll need to make sure that you wash your hands. The ingredients that are used in this can dry out your skin. Make sure you use water and soap. And then if you like to keep your kinetic sand and use it for later, then you'll just need to store it in an airtight container. And there you have it. We hope you liked today's craft time. We hope to see you guys again soon.